In the heart of the savannah lived a lion named Leo, who was possibly the laziest lion in the entire world. While other lions were out hunting, patrolling their territory, or roaring majestically, Leo was usually found snoozing under a big acacia tree. His biggest dream? It wasn't to be the king of the jungle. It was to have a remote control for everything. One sunny afternoon, Leo was feeling particularly lazy. A juicy-looking zebra was grazing just a little too far away. Ugh! Leo groaned to himself. If only I had a remote control. I'd press the zebra, "Come here" button, and dinner would just walk right up to me. He imagined it vividly. A remote with buttons for make it cooler, bring water, and his favorite, auto nap. A wise old tortoise named Sheldon, who had seen many lazy lions in his day, overheard Leo's grumbling. Sheldon slowly ambled over. "Leo," he said in his slow, creaky voice, "a remote control for life? That sounds, well, boring." Leo scoffed. "Boring? It sounds amazing. No more effort, just results." Sheldon smiled. "But Leo, the effort is the best part. The thrill of the chase makes a meal taste better. The search for a cool spot makes the shade feel more refreshing. The work you put in is what makes the reward so sweet." Leo just yawned, not quite convinced. The next day, a mischievous monkey, hearing about Leo's wish, decided to play a trick. He found a strange-looking piece of wood, painted some symbols on it, and left it by Leo's napping spot. When Leo woke up, he saw it. "My remote control!" he roared with excitement. He picked it up and pointed it at a cloud covering the sun. He pressed a button. "Go away, cloud!" Nothing happened. He tried again. Still nothing. He spent the whole day pointing the fake remote at everything: zebras, rivers, even pesky FLIs. Nothing ever worked. Frustrated and now very hungry, Leo finally tossed the stick aside. He saw that same zebra from yesterday, still grazing. With a mighty roar, not of laziness but of determination, he sprang into action. The chase was long and difficult, but when he finally succeeded, the meal was the most satisfying he'd ever had. Lying down, full and tired, Leo looked at the useless piece of wood. He finally understood what Sheldon meant. Life wasn't about a remote control. It was about the joy of the effort and the pride of accomplishment. From that day on, Leo was still a little bit lazy, but he never wished for a remote control again. He had found something much better. The power was in himself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories.